Because really, at the end of the day, not squatting doesn't mean anything. Now, it may mean something for other people, but for me personally, squatting, or lack thereof, means absolutely nothing in terms of my athleticism and, just shit like that. Like, can I still roll around and fucking jump up 10 feet high and kick someone's fucking head off? Yes. Yes, I can. Does squatting really affect that? No. Probably the action itself, rolling around and fucking jumping up, right? Probably if you practice that, you get pretty fucking good at, like, doing like frog jumps and shit like that. If I practice being a frog, I become more frog-like, okay? So if I really want to do so, I'd be trying to eat flies the whole bit, okay? Just to truly ascend into frogdom. So when I was doing frog jumps and practicing jumping technique and shit, go figure, I got really fucking good at jumping. But in terms of like just pure athleticism, like whether I did or didn't do squats. Now, granted, am I as extreme in athletics as I was? No, I'm not competing, I'm not doing anything like that, so there's, it kind of takes a back seat. Hence why I don't do hours of fucking sprints every single day, Unless I truly want to just be a sick cunt, there's no reason for me to be like doing sprints, training sprints for fucking 3 hours a day, Hence why I don't do that. I don't even do it for 1 hour a day. What do you think of that? Also may attribute to the weight gain. Does that make sense?
Today, Molly got dressed for a big night.
What the hell? I don't want to hear about this bitch dressing. What the oh my god, they can't show that on you. What the fuck? Oh, good thing you guys didn't see this commercial. Holy shit. What the hell? I'm offended. I think I was supposed to do a leg workout, wasn't I? Fuck me. I don't give a shit about a jug of milk. About 2 jugs, though. Massive tits. Yeah, I can't get up, by the way. Can you guys please fund me? By the way, look at my Patreon, where I expose my nipples. I'm high. Sorry, I love cosplay. And I'm horny.